Pisces, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into some oracle text. We also have Celtic Lenormand for a quick message from the universe. Pisces, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Two of Pentacles. Possibly, you were juggling money and energy in this time, or money and resources. I think in these days you could have also been baffled on account of contradictory information that was before you. Perhaps, you should not have taken too many risks or too many chances in this time. Maybe you could have ended up squandering whatever you had gained. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Four of Cups. I think emotional discontentment is quite likely. You see this lady here, she seems to be lost and all alone. Maybe you will feel that people are two-faced or that they are not upfront and sincere. Possibly, you may have been promised, but then you don't get what you desire. It's also quite likely that money could be the bone of contention in your relationship here. Maybe your family elders or your family members think that you're quite profligate. Influences for this month, we have the Knight of Wands. In all likelihood, you're going to be in an adventurous mood. Possibly you're somebody who wants to take the initiative. You have a very flexible approach. Certainly this month is going to be marked by a great many changes. It helps that you do have that go-getter attitude, and this will definitely guarantee you rewards. For some of you, there could also be movement or travel on the cards. Maybe you're also making those travel plans. Sometimes, you could be a bit distracted as well. Maybe there are other tasks that are going to eat into your work hours. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that there could be some sad news or something which could upset the apple cart, or it could upset you a bit. The first 10 days of August, we have the Nine of Cups. Unexpected gains are quite likely in this period. I think you are somebody who needs to grab the opportunities. It helps that you do have the Knight of Wands in your influences. I think your family members are also going to be quite demanding. Maybe they expect you to do the needful time and again. You will oblige them, but this means that you don't have time for yourself or for your work. Rewards are definitely in store for you for past work that you have done. Technical issues or paperwork could also crop up in this period. Sometimes you could also be exasperated, but you should keep in mind that you need to carry on with the good beginnings that you have made. You have to capitalize on the decent start. Basically, you will be dedicated and focused, but then other pressing matters will also take precedent. Pisces, I'm also picking up that it's your quick thinking which will allow you to make those gains. In case you're dealing with colleagues, I think you need to be patient. Maybe there are some workers who fail to follow your instructions. Even while dealing with clients, I think you'll be quite put out. You're not going to tolerate those who expect your services for free. On the home front, also repair or renovation could be underway. August is also going to be marked by reunions or shopping trips and good food. Towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Temperance card. I think you need to be patient. You need to bide your time. Though you have that quick energy, you want to move forward quickly, but then you're being asked to be patient because rewards will definitely come in if you're going to persevere. Some deals will also be inked very quickly. However, you may have second thoughts as well. Anyhow, in this time, your creativity will also be in full swing and it will be appreciated. Though payment will come in, I think you'll also be concerned on account of taxation issues which are there. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you will do away with workers who are unprofessional or incompetent. Nevertheless, I think the administration or the management is also going to support you. Possibly appreciation is coming in. Maybe you should let the employer know about those people who are always making mischief or making it difficult for you. The final days of August, that is towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Four of Pentacles. You should be prepared because expenses will mount in this time. Maybe you may feel as though money is flowing out. I think you're also dealing with tension on the home front. Nevertheless, I think your family members or your loved ones are going to promote your talents. There could also be an outstation work offer, but then you may decide against it because the payment is going to be very low, or the wages on offer are supposed to be quite low. In case you're working on a creative project, maybe your ideas may find no takers. This is why you may be feeling a bit down and out. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you need to cover up on your sleep. You could be a bit sleep deprived this month, and this could make you a bit exasperated. I think sometimes you could also lose focus, so maybe your energy levels could drop in this time, so you need to recharge your batteries. With respect to your love life, I have this card, nostalgia. Possibly this, like this lady here, you're going to be thinking about some things, or you may be thinking about somebody in this month. Singles can definitely expect proposal, maybe through a matrimonial site or on a dating site, even through a relative who is hell-bent on playing Cupid, but then you may be disinclined. Some of you could also face rejection this month. That is why you are going to feel emotionally low. I think Pisces, you should not string anyone along in case you're disinterested or disinclined, even if there are suitors. I think you should be careful about that. Those of you who are crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. You definitely believe that this person also has you on his or her mind, but then he's not going to express his feelings, or he's not going to be explicit about his plans with respect to you. I think some of you may also want to express yourself, or you want to express your feelings, but then you could decide against it. Maybe your confidant could ask you to put limitations on yourself. Maybe they think that you should not go the whole hog. Definitely crave a union with this person, but there's hardly any communication to write home about. On the other hand, romancing Pisces, I think you will plan date nights. Maybe you will make time for each other despite the hectic schedules. However, you should also be mindful of the fact that your family members may not be too happy with your growing fondness for this person. Perhaps you will carry on with the romance surreptitiously. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that there could be those days when you could get up with a start. Maybe you think that this person is thinking about you quite deeply. In case you're also in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you have to put up with those delays in your relationship. Married Pisces, I think you need to show more love and affection towards your partner this month rather than get into silly quarrels. Possibly, a third person could also instigate your partner. This is why there could be quarrels. Some of you could also be fretting over your spouse's financial decisions. Maybe your spouse should not quote such a high price at work. That is why he could end up losing clients. Nevertheless, I think your spouse is somebody who is going to support you with respect to your decisions. I think for some Pisces, the health of your spouse could also be something which could make you fretful. Even as a parent, you could be a bit concerned because of your children's behavior. Basically, Pisces, you should not let ego come in the way. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you shouldn't be in an abusive relationship. Maybe unfaithfulness could also be the bane of this relationship. Those of you who are in a third party situation, I think your confidant could ask you to be more pragmatic with respect to the future of this connection. Perhaps she thinks that you need to be more practical to understand whether this relationship is going to go the distance or not, or that this person is simply taking you for a love fool. From Lenormand, we have this card, boat. Possibly some Pisces, you're making those travel plans. Nevertheless, you're somebody who's going to be up and about, or there could be the chance that you'll be commuting great distances. I think this change is also necessary because it will broaden your horizons. The last card in this reading is finances. This is interesting because Pisces, we did talk about you being concerned about your spouse's financial decisions this month, especially towards the final days. Maybe you could be concerned about the changes that are going on in your professional life. I think you're also being called upon to take those steps. Maybe some of you should also ask for a raise or a promotion. Maybe you should also work upon reducing your expenses this month. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about repair or renovation on the home front. So maybe this is also an investment of sorts for you, Pisces. I hope Pisces you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.